Hello everyone, I'm Kamel. In the previous videos, we've learned a lot about text effects. Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly create an effect where there's a character in the front and the lyrics in the back with the help of AI. It's really easy, just follow along with the video step by step. If you're interested, let's continue. First, we open this website and click here. Then scroll down and find a video and click on it. We can access many AI tools for video editing. What we need today is the AI cutout tool. It can recognize the main subject, remove the background, and replace it with a green screen or other mode. All we have to do is drag our video here and choose the mode we want. Let's select green screen. Finally, click Submit. While we wait for 3 to 5 minutes, we can have a cup of coffee and the background remover for our video will be done. When it's finished, click Download to get the edited video. Next, we open VideoProc Vlogger. If you haven't downloaded it yet, just get it for free from the description box down below. Import both our original video and the edited video into VideoProc Vlogger. Now let's make lyric subtitles. Click here to create a new text. Type in the text you want. Choose the font we like. Adjust the text size and change the color. I'm choosing yellow. We can remove the shadow if we don't need that. Adjust the text position and scale. We can use guides for alignment. When we're done changing the project background color, I'm going with green. Then click Done. Afterward, take a snapshot of the current frame to get an image with a green screen background. Now input each line of lyrics one by one. Just like before, take a snapshot each time. Let me make a quick demonstration. Once we're done, import all the snapshot images into VideoProc Vlogger. If you want different colored text effects, you can change the text color while taking snapshot images or keep them all the same color and adjust later. Next, let's combine the video, music, and the text. Put the original video on the main track. Create an overlay track. And place the edited video there. Go to the inspector panel and align them by height. Let's keep scrolling down and find a green screen. Click here to pick the background color. If there are some rough edges, we can fix it by adjusting these two parameters. After that, put the lyric snapshot image on the middle overlay track. Again, align them by height. Go to green screen. Pick the background color just like before for keeping only the text part. Now, based on the music, position the lyrics where they should be.
We better hurry.
Let me make a quick demonstration. Now let's play and see the result.
We better hurry. Let's make it right now. Cause maybe tomorrow I won't be this down. And that makes me worry. But I hope that you remember all this we'll live together.
Looks good. If you want to change the color of the lyrics, for example, here we'll change it twice according to the music rhythm. We'll split the lyrics at the rhythm points. And then select the part where we want to change the color. Click on color. Then in the HSL settings, choose yellow. We only need to adjust the hue to achieve any color we want. Isn't that convenient? Let's take a look at the result.
We better hurry. Let's make it right now. Cause maybe tomorrow I won't be this down.
Great work. Alright, this is all for today. You can apply these effects to your own videos. If you want to know more editing tricks or what has been going on with VideoProc Vlogger, be sure to click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel. See you in our next editing tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye!